acceptance of type 1 diabetes. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Diabesties channel. Jazz over here. कि जब मैं डायग्नोस हुई थी, जब मुझे हॉस्पिटल में दाखिल किया था, मुझे लगा था कि 4-5 दिन के लिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ एंड मुझे जब डिस्चार्ज किया जाएगा तब मैं अपने नॉर्मल लाइफ में वापस जा सकती हूँ। मुझे अपने हॉस्पिटल के 5th डे पे जब मैं डिस्चार्ज होने वाली थी तब मुझे मेरे डॉक्टर ने ऐसे बिठा के समझाया कि तुम्हें रोज इंजेक्शंस लेना है, यू कांट ईट दिस, यू कांट ईट दैट एंड दिस इज फॉर एवर. And when he said that this is forever, I think I broke down, because that is when I remember very clearly crying and telling my mom कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए diabetes. And that was that first stage of denial, right? The grief, the denial कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए, ये क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ. ये आपका natural response होता है. And I think it took me a long time to realize कि I was asking the wrong question. मेरा सवाल गलत था. It shouldn't be why me, because I realized कि मैं जिंदगी भर वो क्वेश्चन पूछ सकती हूँ और उसका कोई जवाब मुझे नहीं मिलने वाला. Yes, scientists have done a lot of research. There's still no clear answer as to why you get type 1 diabetes. So I was asking a question that had no answer. I later on realized that the question I should be asking is now what? From the why me, it should become now what? कि हुआ है, अब क्या करूं मैं इसके साथ. And the moment I started asking that question, I started accepting my condition. जब तक आप अच्छे से और पूरी तरह से ये बात को मान ना लो और दिल से एक्सेप्ट ना करो, आपका मैनेजमेंट ठीक नहीं हो सकता है. बिकॉज आपका टाइम, अटेंशन, ये इस बात पे तो लगता ही नहीं है कि मैं कौन सा डोज टाइट्रेट करूं, कि मैं कार्ब काउंटिंग कैसे सीखूं, कि मैं इंजेक्शन टेक्निक कैसे सीखूं. आपका पूरा माइंड फ्रेम उसमें ही है कि ये मुझे क्यों हुआ. The thing we need to understand is that no matter how much you do, it's not going to change the past. It's not going to change the diagnosis. So the best thing you can do for yourself, for your child, is to accept and then move forward with living a life that is actually very, very beautiful and a little bitter, but that's okay, right? So a biggest request is actually to the parents. Agar if your child has type 1, a parent projects on their child. अगर आप आपके चेहरे पे दिखाते हो कि यार you are not happy about this, that you're scared about it, your child is also going to be scared and unhappy about it. मुझे ये बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से याद है कि my parents were my rock solid support. उन्होंने कभी मुझे ऐसा महसूस करने नहीं दिया कि ये कुछ गलत हो रहा है, कि ये क्यों हुआ मेरे साथ. भले उनका जर्नी अलग था, पर मेरे सामने they were always supportive, giving me strength, and that is what made me accept my condition a lot faster. So it's a request to all the parents out there, be strong for your kids, accept their condition and know that even children with type 1 diabetes can live long, healthy, fulfilling lives. And the sooner you accept, the sooner your child will accept. One of the biggest things that will help is finding a community, finding people that understand what you're going through. And for that, I would suggest scheduling a B2B session with us at Diabesties, because all our educators are people who have gone through that journey. We take sessions purely for mental health and burnout and acceptance and distress. So schedule करो session अगर आप struggle कर रहे हो, अगर आपको बस किसी से बात करनी है जो इस journey को समझता है, तो please schedule a session. All information is down below. And I wish you all the best. I wish you all the luck, and I wish you all the acceptance for this condition. Thank you.